Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable pin windows on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and find the security. Okay, tap this. In security, you can see the other security settings. Tap the other security settings. In other security settings, scroll down and find the pin windows. You'll have to do is tap the pin windows. To turn on the pin windows, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. Okay, if this turn on, pin an app to the screen to prevent others from accessing features outside of the pin app. When an app is pinned, features such as calling and messaging are blocked. And okay guys, I'll show you how to use the pin. Okay, for my example, I select this settings app and I pin these settings. Okay, you'll have to do is turn on the pin windows. Okay, that's it. Okay, the pin window is on. Second, open an app. Okay, for my example, I use this settings app. Third, tap the screen recent button. Okay, here the recent button. Or if you're using gestures, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold. Okay, and I pin this app. And fourth step, okay, tap the icon above of the app. Okay, then select the pin this app. And okay guys, the pop-up below are show. So app is pinned. To unpin this app, touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. Tap the OK button. And okay guys, app pin. Okay, to disable the pin windows, you'll have to do is press the two button below at the same time. App unpin. Okay, we have successfully unpinned the application. After you unpin this app, okay, switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled pin windows on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.